You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names from baseball, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you. Blue Jays, Toronto Blue Jays at the moment. Bo Bichette. His name in French is pronounced Bichette. In English, Bo Bichette. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.